Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now we have the next type of scotoma, which is called as double arcuate scotoma or ring scotoma. So this is actually an arcuate scotoma which is formed by the joining of uh, Siegel's scotoma with the extending the Siegel's scotoma, we get Siegel's scotoma. Extending the Siegel's scotoma, we get arcuate scotoma. Now, if you join the two arcuate scotomas, so actually this hole is one arcuate scotoma. So if you draw one more arcuate scotoma downwards and if you join both of them together, so this is called as double arcuate scotoma, or because it looks like a ring, so it is called as ring scotoma. So in double arcuate scotoma or ring scotoma, you are joining two arcuate scotomas together and we call it as double arcuate or ring scotoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.